Why Zig is challenging C++ for low-level systems and performance engineering. For decades, C++ has been the dominant language for systems programming, game engines, operating systems, embedded devices, financial infrastructure, and performance-critical applications. It gave developers direct access to hardware while offering powerful abstractions that made large software projects possible. But in 2026, the computing landscape looks very different. Modern CPUs contain dozens of cores, sophisticated cache hierarchies, advanced branch prediction systems, and specialized acceleration hardware. Raw hardware performance continues to increase, yet software complexity often grows even faster. Ironically, one of the biggest obstacles to extracting maximum performance from modern hardware is no longer the hardware itself. It's the increasing overhead created by decades of accumulated software abstractions. C++ has evolved through countless standards, features, and paradigms. Template metaprogramming, multiple inheritance, complex build systems, exceptions, allocators, concepts, and increasingly sophisticated language rules have expanded the language far beyond its original design. While these additions solve certain problems, they also introduce substantial technical debt. Compile times become longer. Error messages become harder to understand. Binary sizes grow. Tool chains become increasingly complex. As a result, many engineers are asking a simple question. Do we really need all this complexity to build fast software? This question has helped fuel the rise of Zig. Zig approaches systems programming from a fundamentally different philosophy. Instead of continuously adding layers of abstraction, Zig removes them. The goal is not to hide the machine from the programmer. The goal is to make the machine easier to understand. One of the clearest examples of this philosophy is Zig's compile-time execution system, known as comptime. In traditional C++, compile-time programming often relies on a combination of preprocessor macros, template metaprogramming, const_expr functions, and specialized language constructs. The result can be powerful, but frequently difficult to read and maintain. Zig takes a different route. Instead of creating separate mechanisms for compile-time logic, Zig allows ordinary language constructs to execute during compilation. The same code used at runtime can often run at compile time. There are no separate template languages to learn, no maze of preprocessor directives, no layers of metaprogramming syntax hiding the actual intent of the code. Developers simply write standard Zig code and instruct the compiler when that code should execute during compilation. This dramatically simplifies generic programming. In C++, highly generic data structures often require extensive template machinery. As projects grow, template instantiations can explode, increasing compile times and generating significant binary bloat. Zig's comptime system allows developers to create generic, high-performance containers and algorithms without relying on the traditional template model. The result is flexibility comparable to C++, but with far simpler implementation and significantly improved maintainability. Yet compile-time simplicity is only part of the story. The real battle begins when software starts running. Memory management remains one of the most important challenges in systems programming. Despite decades of improvements and countless safety guidelines, manual memory management in C++ continues to be a leading source of software vulnerabilities. Buffer overflows, use-after-free errors, double freeze, dangling pointers, memory corruption. Many of the most severe security issues discovered in critical software systems still originate from incorrect memory handling. Modern C++ introduced smart pointers, RAII, move semantics, ownership models, and numerous best practices designed to improve safety. These tools certainly help. However, they do not eliminate the underlying complexity. Developers must still understand ownership rules, lifetime management, allocation strategies, and subtle interactions between language features. Mistakes remain possible and often difficult to detect. Zig addresses this problem through radical transparency. One of Zig's core principles is simple: no hidden allocations. When memory is allocated, it is visible. When memory is freed, it is visible. When a function requires memory, it typically receives an allocator explicitly. This design eliminates one of the most common sources of performance surprises found in many C++ codebases. In C++, operations involving standard library containers can trigger unexpected heap allocations that may not be obvious to the developer. These hidden allocations can introduce latency spikes, memory fragmentation, and unpredictable performance behavior. In Zig, allocators become part of the function interface. Memory usage is no longer hidden behind abstractions. The developer knows exactly where memory comes from and where it goes. This explicit approach improves both performance and maintainability. Even more importantly, Zig avoids introducing a hidden runtime or garbage collector. Every allocation strategy remains under developer control. Latency becomes predictable. Resource usage becomes measurable. Execution becomes deterministic. For modern kernel development, real-time systems, network infrastructure, embedded devices, and high-frequency trading environments, deterministic behavior is often more valuable than raw throughput. A system that occasionally pauses for memory management can be unacceptable regardless of its average speed. Zig's minimalist runtime model ensures that software behaves consistently under pressure. Of course, controlling memory is only one part of building reliable systems. Errors are inevitable. Hardware fails, networks disconnect, files disappear, resources become unavailable. The critical question is how software responds when things go wrong. C++ traditionally handles many failures through exceptions. While exceptions can simplify certain code paths, they introduce hidden control flow and potentially expensive stack unwinding operations. The cost may not always be obvious during development, yet in performance-critical systems, those hidden costs matter. Zig takes a radically different approach. Instead of treating errors as exceptional events that alter program execution behind the scenes, Zig treats errors as ordinary data. This is achieved through error union types. Functions explicitly return either a successful value or an error. The possibility of failure becomes visible in the type system itself. Nothing is hidden. Nothing is implicit. To make this process efficient, Zig introduces the try keyword. When a function can fail, developers must explicitly acknowledge that possibility. The compiler ensures that errors are handled appropriately. Ignored failures become difficult to overlook. Edge cases receive attention earlier in development. This approach dramatically reduces opportunities for undefined behavior. And undefined behavior has long been one of the most dangerous aspects of low-level C++ programming. Entire systems can behave unpredictably because of subtle violations that the compiler is allowed to optimize aggressively. By forcing developers to confront failure paths directly, Zig encourages more robust and reliable software architectures. The benefits extend beyond writing code. They also transform how software is built and distributed. Cross-compilation has traditionally been one of the most frustrating aspects of systems development. Supporting multiple operating systems, CPU architectures, and deployment targets often requires complicated build scripts, external toolchains, environment configuration, and platform-specific workarounds. C++ developers frequently rely on tools such as CMake, AutoTools, custom scripts, package managers, and platform-specific compilers. Managing these systems can become a project of its own. Zig simplifies this process dramatically. The language ships with an integrated C and C++ compiler infrastructure. Cross-compilation support is built directly into the toolchain. Developers can target multiple architectures from a single environment without assembling a collection of external dependencies. The experience becomes simpler, more reproducible, and significantly easier to automate. This capability becomes even more valuable when considering the enormous amount of legacy software that already exists. The reality is that most organizations cannot rewrite decades of production code overnight. Migration must be gradual, it must be practical, and it must minimize risk. Zig embraces this reality. Rather than demanding a complete replacement of existing systems, Zig allows direct interoperability with C libraries and can import C headers directly. Existing codebases can adopt Zig incrementally. Critical modules can be rewritten one component at a time. Teams can modernize infrastructure without committing to a dangerous full-scale rewrite. This practical migration path is one of Zig's strongest advantages in the 2026 software landscape. Organizations gain access to modern tooling and improved safety while preserving investments in proven legacy systems. Ultimately, the competition between Zig and C++ is not simply about language features. It represents two different philosophies of systems engineering. One philosophy continues adding abstractions to manage complexity. The other seeks to eliminate unnecessary complexity entirely. Zig argues that developers should see exactly what the machine is doing. Memory should be explicit. Errors should be explicit. Allocations should be explicit. Compilation should be transparent. Performance should be predictable. In a world increasingly dependent on high-performance infrastructure, low-latency computing, cloud platforms, operating systems, and edge devices, these principles are becoming more valuable than ever. The future of systems programming may not belong to the language with the most features. It may belong to the language that removes everything developers no longer need. And that is precisely why Zig is emerging as one of the strongest challengers to C++ in modern perf. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Zig, C++, systems programming, and performance engineering, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments whether you would choose Zig or C++ for your next low-level project, and why. Ormance Engineering.